What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Chad Williams Fixes All. In this episode, we're going to be showing you how to remove the speaker from this Chevy Trax. Let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do the door panel removal is open the door on the door that you want to remove the panel on, and then you're going to have two screws to remove. So these two screws are located, one here within the door handle, and then one right here where the lever is for opening the door. They're both behind caps. We'll go ahead and show a picture of those right now. And to remove those caps, the best thing to use is a small pick tool like this. This is an angled pick. We'll have this down in the description below, so you can purchase one yourself, so that way you can get your job done nice and easy. But this angled pick is going to give a nice little angle to actually unclip and then pull out those dust caps. So let's go ahead and remove those dust caps, and we'll get to the 7mm bolts underneath of it. So this is the screw that's in the door handle. You have a little dust cap here that covers it. You just want to take your pick tool, reach in here, and you're just going to pull it up. Now with it completely pulled up, you can see there's a 7mm screw under there. We can go ahead and undo that. So with our 7mm, go ahead and put it on that screw and remove it. And then for this other screw behind the door lever, you want to take the pick, put it right here. And then pull out. You'll have the 7mm under here, and we'll go ahead and unscrew that. Now with those two screws out, you can go ahead and pull from right here. And then come all the way around. Now once you get all the clips undone, you can keep wiggling it up. And then if you have the electrical connectors that you still have to unplug, we'll go ahead and get a shot from the other side to show you what it looks like. The two electrical connectors are right here. You just want to pull the red clip out on this one, then you can release it. And this one doesn't have a red clip. You're just going to pull that one out. So those two are completely undone. And then you have the door handle cable. You just want to lift up on this guy. And then pull out. When you pull it out, you're going to be able to get enough cable out to slide it around and lift up. The little ball in here goes within this slot here. You can only get it out when it's like this. It won't come out when it's like that. That's the reason you have to remove that clip. So with that removed, we can now remove the panel fully. Now that we have the door panel off, we can go ahead and access the speaker. The speaker is held in with one 7mm screw. So let's just go ahead and remove that. And then you just want to pull down. You're going to hear a little click to release. And it's that metal clip right here that helps retain it from the factory. Once you got it down this far, you're going to lift up and bring it out. You have one electrical connector holding it into the speaker housing. And then you have one clip that holds on the speaker housing. You're just going to take your needle nose pliers, if you care about the clip, put it in here, and then just release it upwards. Just like that. And now your speaker's out. You can go ahead and replace with any speaker that you want. There is probably some housings you can buy, so that way it makes a nice easy installation back in. Otherwise than that, you can get big enough speakers to screw into the metal all the way around, depending on your application. But yeah, this is the bezel that comes out from the factory. Now to reinstall the door panel, it's just in the exact opposite. We want to take the door lever cable, slide it in, and then pull it around, get it to go back in the hole, and then re-clip back in there. So it's just all one fluid motion. You can kind of test it after the fact, make sure that it works correctly. And then you have the electrical connectors here, the two. Plug the first one in, white one's on the bottom, and the other one's on top. And then push that red safety clip back in there. And we can go ahead and put the door panel back on the door. Now we can go ahead and work on getting the door panel back in here. So you want to start with the door lock, slide it in the hole. Then I like to start on the side over here. Make sure it stays tight against this. And then just kind of walk it in all the way through. And then you can kind of peek down in here and see if you're lining up with the door pins. Kind of give it a little push. You can start hearing them click in. So I'm just going to click the one in up there. Take a look on this side. That one just snapped in right there. Make sure that's looking good up top here. And then we can go ahead and snap them all the way around. And now your door panel's back in. We can go ahead and mess with the two 7mm bolts and put them back in. Starting with the one on the door handle, just going to put your screw in there. Tighten it on down. Push the dust cap back on. Go ahead and put in the other screw. And then the dust cover. And there you go. That's how you remove the speaker on this Chevy Trax. You can go ahead and install your type of speaker, whether if it's a new factory replacement or an aftermarket. But if this video helped you, make sure to click like, subscribe to my channel. Also check my other Trax videos. I got a whole bunch out there. But until next time, thanks for watching.